Hello, everyone. Want to learn easy English for daily life? You're in the right place. Let's start from here. Hotel check-in. Good evening. Welcome to our hotel.
Hi, I have a booking here.
Sure. What is your name, please?
It's Ryan Miller.
Thank you. One moment, please. Yes, I see your reservation.
Oh, good, thank you.
Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. And your card, please?
Card. Yes, here you go.
Great. It is for 2 nights.
Yes, 2 nights. That's right.
Do you want a double bed?
Yes, a double bed.
Smoking or non-smoking room?
Non-smoking, please.
Perfect. Your room is ready.
Oh, nice, thank you.
Room 204, second floor.
Second floor. Okay.
The lift is on your right.
Lift. Yes, I see.
Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
7. Okay, I wake early.
Good. Anything else you need?
Wi-Fi password, please?
It's on your room card.
Oh, really? That's easy.
Yes, very easy.
Thank you. First time here.
No problem. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks. Hope I find my room.
If not, come back again. Job interview. Good morning. Please take a seat.
Good morning. Thank you very much.
Can you tell me your name?
Yes, I am Daniel Clark.
Nice to meet you, Daniel.
Nice to meet you too.
Why do you want this job?
I like this company, and I need a job.
What work do you do now?
I work in a small shop.
What do you do there?
I help customers and clean.
That is good experience.
Oh, thank you. I try hard.
Can you work on weekends?
Yes, I can work weekends.
Are you good with people?
I think, yes, I am friendly.
That is important here.
Yes, I like talking people.
Talking to people, yes.
Oh, yes, two people.
Do you have any questions?
What are work hours?
From 9 to 5, mostly.
Okay, that is good for me.
We will call you tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, I wait.
Thank you for coming today.
Thank you for your time.
Have a nice day, Daniel.
You too. Goodbye.
Hotel check out. Good morning. Checking out today?
Yes, I check out now.
Can I have your room number?
Room 312, I think.
Let me check that, please. Yes, room 312.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, it was very nice.
Glad to hear that.
Breakfast was very good too.
That's great to hear. Did you take anything from minibar?
Just one water bottle.
Okay, I will add that.
Yes, thank you.
How will you pay today?
Same card as before.
All right. Processing now.
Okay, I wait here.
Payment is done. Here is receipt.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Can I leave my bag here?
Yes, for a few hours.
Oh, that helps a lot.
Just collect it later today.
Yes, I come back later.
Have a safe trip home.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and thanks again.
Buying flowers.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hi, I want buy flowers.
Sure. What kind do you like?
Red ones maybe.
These red roses are popular.
Roses. Yes, they look nice.
Are they for someone special?
Yes, for my girlfriend.
That is very sweet.
I hope she likes them.
How many would you like?
Maybe 10 flowers?
A dozen is 12 flowers.
Oh, okay. 12 then.
I will wrap them nicely.
Thank you. They look beautiful.
Do you want a card?
Yes, small card, please.
What message do you want?
I love you is good?
That is simple and nice.
Yes, simple is better.
Here are your flowers.
Oh, thank you so much.
The total is 20 pounds.
I pay by cash, okay?
Yes, cash is fine.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck today.
Thanks, I need luck.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Taking a taxi.
Hello. Please get in.
Hi, thank you. I am late.
Where are you going?
To the train station, please?
Okay, I go there now.
Traffic looks bad today.
Yes, but I try fast route.
Oh, thank you so much.
What time is your train?
At 9:30.
Okay, we have little time.
I hope I catch it.
Don't worry, I drive quickly.
So many cars here today.
Morning time is always busy.
Yes, I see that now.
Do you take train often?
No, only sometimes.
First time this station?
Yes, first time here.
I stop at main entrance.
Thank you. That helps me.
We are close now.
Oh, I see the station.
Here you are.
Great. How much is it?
It is $18.
I pay by card, okay?
Yes, card is fine.
Thank you. Have nice day.
You too. Good luck.
Ordering take away.
So, what are you craving tonight?
Something spicy. Maybe Chinese?
Nice choice. Let's check the app.
Which one's faster? Uber Eats or DoorDash?
Depends. Some restaurants close early.
Wait, how do I know if it's open?
Look for the green available sign.
Oh, that's smart. Okay, I'll try.
Go on, pick your dish.
Kung Pao chicken, extra chili.
Are you sure it's super hot?
I can handle it. Probably.
Famous last words. Add one bubble tea.
Done. Oh, delivery address.
It's pre-saved, right?
Oh no, it says office address.
Seriously? That's across town.
Why didn't it ask again?
Technology trusts you too much.
So what now?
Cancel fast before it's confirmed.
Ugh, I clicked too late.
Guess your lunch tomorrow's sorted.
Perfect. Cold Kung Pao chicken.
I'll share my food then.
You're the real hero here.
I know, I'm starving too.
Reserving a table.
Hi, have you booked a table?
No, not yet. Can I?
Of course. For how many people?
Just 2, please.
Great. What time would you like?
Maybe at 7 or half 7.
7:30 is fine.
Perfect. Do you need my name?
Yes, please, for the reservation.
It's Jack. Jack.
Thanks, Jack. Any special request?
A window table, maybe?
Got it. Window table for 2.
Nice. I really like that view.
We'll try our best.
And how do I pay? Now?
No, after your meal.
Oh, right. Of course.
Friendly. Would you like to see the menu online?
Yes, please. I'll check before we come.
Kind. I'll send a confirmation message soon.
Grateful. Thank you so much, Olivia.
You're welcome, Jack. See you tonight.
Excited. Can't wait. I hope they have pasta.
Ordering dishes.
Hey, Lucy, are you ready to order?
I'm not sure yet.
Take your time. The menu's long.
What do you think is good here?
The pasta's nice, or maybe the burger?
Pasta sounds good. What kind?
There's tomato, cream, or spicy sauce.
Spicy. No spicy, please.
Got it. Tomato pasta for you then.
Yes, and maybe a salad too.
Side salad or big one?
Side salad, I think. Small one.
Sure, that's a good choice.
What will you order, Ben?
Maybe a sandwich today.
Sandwich? That's so simple.
Yeah, but I like simple food.
Okay. Maybe I want the sandwich too.
You just copied me.
Maybe, but it sounds safe.
No problem. Want to share fries?
Sure. Fries sound great.
So, 2 sandwiches, 1 side salad?
And a cola, please.
Got it. I'll tell the waiter.
Thanks. Ordering is always scary in English.
Don't worry. You did very well.
Next time, you do the talking.
No way. It's your turn now.
Ordering drinks.
Hi there. Ready to order your drink?
I think so, but not sure yet.
No rush. What do you usually like?
I like coffee, but not strong.
Then maybe a latte. It's milky and light.
Latte? Is that with sugar?
No sugar, but you can add some.
Okay. Small or big size?
We say medium or large here.
Right. Medium, please.
Great. Anything else? Maybe a pastry?
Pastry. What is that?
It's a small sweet bread, like a croissant.
Oh, sounds nice, but maybe later.
No problem. Drink only for now.
Yes, just the latte.
To have here or take away?
What's take away?
It means you take the drink with you.
Oh, I'll drink it here.
Perfect. I'll bring it to your table.
Thanks, Emma. You're very kind.
You're welcome. Enjoy your latte.
I will. It already smells amazing.
Good choice, Ryan. It's our best one.
So maybe next time, 2 lattes.
Serving the dishes.
Evening, are you ready for your food?
Yes, I think so.
Great. Here's your grilled chicken.
Oh, it looks nice. What's this sauce?
That's garlic butter. Careful, it's hot.
Hot. Okay, I'll wait a little.
Good idea. And here's your salad.
So fresh. Is that lemon on top?
Yes, fresh lemon. Do you like it?
I do, but not too much.
I'll bring extra dressing if you want.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Would you like anything to drink now?
Just water, please.
Still or sparkling water?
Still? What does that mean?
It means no bubbles, just plain water.
Oh, still then. No bubbles for me.
Got it. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you, Daniel. Everything looks perfect.
You're welcome.
Enjoy your meal.
I will. It smells delicious.
Careful, you'll eat too fast.
Maybe I'm too hungry tonight.
That's the best kind of customer.
Thanks again. You're very friendly.
My pleasure. I'll check on you later.